It's almost like a pow, pow. Wrist, flick of the wrist. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we are talking about perfume oils. We're going to talk about the alcohol-based perfume oils. We're going to talk about the purely oil-based alcohol-free perfumes. And we're going to talk about the formulas, the two formulas in which they're packaged in. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. When it comes to alcohol-based perfume oils, which I don't have an example of, and I did, but I threw it out, the bottle I had last year. So, very short story is that I had a bottle that was a imitation, a rendition of Christian Dior's classic perfume, Christian Dior's Poison. The original. It's like a forest green glass bottle that is finely crafted, and it kind of resembles the shape of green bell pepper. So I'm just trying to give you the visual. I decided to put oil into that, and just like oil and water doesn't mix, oil and alcohol doesn't mix either. Yeah, and I wound up tossing it out, and it wound up being too much because of the alcohol content. Speaking of alcohol-based perfumes, they do dry down faster. The scent doesn't tend to last too long, which was the case with that bottle I tossed. And that's due to the alcohol content. And they smell strong at first, so it's almost like a pow, pow. It packs a punch at first, but then it leaves a lot to the imagination. It fades off. So it's almost like a person that sucker punch somebody, and then like, hey, that's all I got. That's all I got. Just don't hit me. Yeah. Seriously. So the longevity of a alcohol-based perfume oil, it's equivalent to the body sprays on the market, like you see in Walmart and Target, and it's meant to refresh you. And I kind of expressed that in detail in my video, How to Smell Good All Day. So I'm just letting you know, when it comes to the alcohol-based perfume oils, you got to know that you're not getting longevity. You got to know that you're getting a pump. You got to know that it's packing a punch at first, but after a couple minutes or maybe an hour, it's not doing the job for you. It's clocked out. Yeah. That is the 411. When we come to purely oil-based perfume oils, potato, bear with me here, such as these, and I have ranted and raved about these so much. From Sweet Essentials. They are based in North Carolina. They are alcohol-free perfume oils. So let me tell you the benefit about those. They last longer than the alcohol-based perfume oils, of course. The fragrance is carried out for a longer period, and it will carry you throughout the day. I know that's a saying I'm kind of, beating a dead horse with, but it does. Based on your body chemistry also, I want to let you guys know, based on your body chemistry will determine how the scent will give itself off, even with a purely oil-based perfume. And it does have better staying power. And then the scent absorbs much better into the skin because it's oil. And depending on your body chemistry, mixing with the scent and the fragrance of the oil, it's going to be one heck of a payoff for you. And when it comes to, last but certainly not least, the 2 ways that perfume oils are packaged, that's also a determining factor as well. So we're going to go with the rollerball perfumes. Now this I have to be careful not to, because it smells so good. It smells like, let me just open it up. This is your warning. The music's coming in. You can grab an apple. You can grab an orange. You can grab a tangerine. You can grab what I'm about to say, what this is going to smell like. Even though I don't know all the notes. And I'm just basing it off of my senses. You can get a mango. Marshmallow. Did you eat? Did you eat before you watch my video? No? I warned you. In all seriousness, this is black butter and rollerball perfume. So, it smells like mango. It smells very woodsy. I guess you could say it's a little hint of marshmallow, but I would recommend looking up the notes online. Black butter. And it sure smells like it. Yes, Father. Thank you. Now, when it comes to rollerball perfumes, the advantage you have with this is you're able to precisely apply it. And I just did so by accident. Oh well, I'll smell like it till I shower. It allows for precise application. So your contact points, neck, inner wrist, you know, flick of the wrist, you know. And some people apply it on the inner sides of your ankles, the inner portion of your ankles as well. And I like to call them your contact points for you to apply them. Rollerball perfumes, they're good for precise application. Now, if you're a person you like to mist it on, then the rollerball perfume might be really frustrating for you. Now, when it comes to spray, the spray formulation, how it's packaged, I prefer the spray bottle. Tell you why. Because you could mist it on you in your contact points, but then the mist is also going to flow over the rest of you. It really is. And then also, you could mist it in front of you, you know, and then walk into it. Now, for a person that's heavy-handed, you might want to go with the rollerball for precise application to make sure you're not wasteful. But if you're not heavy-handed, this won't be a wasteful type of application to have it in a spray bottle. The thing about how they're packaged, those are the only 2 ways I've seen perfume oils packaged that I know of. I would like to see more of perfume oils be packaged in the spray bottle. Just because everyone doesn't prefer to apply perfume oils in the same way. With the rollerball, it's like you just feel like there's a point of no return, a catch-22. You know, if I precisely put it here on my left hand to the 45-degree angle, Then you got to go ahead and do an equation over here that equals X to make sure you apply it over here, just so you can get a equal whiff of smelling on both wrists. No one wants to do math, even if you're good at it. In order to apply perfume. So that's what I'm suggesting. What is going on with my talk? Father, Lord, please. That is my personal suggestion. Okay, that came out a little bit better. Of why I think more perfume oil should come in the spray bottle packaging as well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our talk about perfume oils. And until next time, and until the next video.